Audition music measures 9 and 10. Alright guys, these two are actually kind of fun once you get past kind of the crazy rhythm, alright? But, so you have another dotted 8/16 rhythm like we learned about in measure 7 there in measure 10. Okay, except this one now is followed by 4 more 16th notes. Okay, so the counting is going to go 1 to 2 ti te ta 3. 1 to 2 ti te ta 3. Okay, so a little bit more of a tongue twister, but kind of fun one, I think. We'll work on your articulation there. Okay, so let's try saying the rhythm for measures 9 and 10. All right, here we go. Ready? Down, up, say it, here we go. 1, 3, 4, 1 to 2 ti te ta 3. Try it again. Ready, set, here we go. 1, 3, 4, 1 to 2 ti te ta 3. Alright, let's try playing it on that F there. Now, your air has to keep going really fast through those, all through those 16th notes as your tongue's interrupting that airstream more. Keep your air moving fast, blow through all those 16th notes, and keep your tongue really close to the reed so that it doesn't slow down. Okay? Alright, let's try it on F. And 1 and 2 and rhythm, here we go. One more time. Ready, here we go. Alright, so that's how that rhythm is going to work out. Now, when we actually play it in measure 10, it's actually going to be more of your fingers doing the work for the rhythm, since you do have a slur, if you notice that up there, okay? But tonguing that really kind of helps you feel the 16th note patterns there. Okay, so look up to the original measure 9, and let's put some fingers with the half notes and the quarter notes, okay? So E, and then G, C, and I'd like to go ahead and add the A. Okay, so we can practice going C to A with that jump there, okay? And when I go to the A, I'm going to try to also put my right hand down. This is going to help us get to that half note in measure 10, okay? So let's go E, and then G, C, A with right hand down, including home base, okay? Finger that with me. Measure 9 plus that A at the beginning of 10. Fingers ready, set, here we go. E, G, C, A. One more time and go. E, G, C, A. Let's play. Down, up, 4 notes, go. Again and go. Alright, okay, so that's measure 9. Now, look down to the third line of my breakdown where it says technique slow. Okay, this is kind of a stretched out slow-mo version of measure 10. So in measure 10 we have a dotted 8/16 rhythm, and then down here in the slow-mo version we've stretched it out, and now it's like half as fast. It's a dotted quarter note 8th note. So instead of 1 to 2 ti te ta, it's going slower. 1 te 3 te 4 te 1. Because this is, again, our fingers have to learn that pattern really well in order to play it quickly. Okay, so this way going slow and then working up to that tempo is going to help your fingers really learn this pattern well if you do it correctly. Okay, all right, so let's look at this technique slow. And again, let's just start with the first 3 notes and then we'll add. Okay, so finger with me the first 3 notes. A, B flat, A. So just moving our thumb there, right? Ready? Finger with me, go. A, B flat, A, and my right hand is down from the A that we, right? Again, and go. A, B flat, A. All right, let's play it. Down, up, ready, 3 notes. Again, and go. Good, let's add the G. I'm keeping my right hand down the whole time though. Ready, adding G. slur in there too. We're adding the A and here we go, 5 notes. Again and go. Add B flat. Ready, here we go. One more time and go. And finally, we have to get B flat to C. That's why I've been keeping that right hand down to help you out with that, especially since this is going to be going quick, okay? All right, so here we go. Adding the last note C. Ready and set and go. All right, so now if you're comfortable with that, if not, stay there and just learn that pattern, okay? You're leaving right hand down, so it's all in that left hand, but you have to be really comfortable with it, okay? Because now we're going to try to start to increase the speed. So if we're doing the technique slow-mo, in order to get it back to the same speed as the original, we've got to get this up to 120, okay? So, all right, let's bump it up. How about let's try 80. Finger with me, ready, slow-mo, it's A, B flat, A, G, A, B flat, C. Okay, let's try it. Keep that right hand down. Down, up, ready. Again, ready. Alright, a little faster. Here's 90. Down, up, ready. How about 100? Down, up, ready. Try that one again. Ready? 110. Getting there, so close. Down, up. Again, set. And 120. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3. Again, set. All right, so honestly, we're back to the original rhythm there now. It's just going to feel different because now we have to slow our clicks down. So if we go back to 60, look up to the original measure 10. 1, 2, 2, 3. Right? It's just going to feel different. Let's try it. Fingers are moving the same exact speed. It just feels different. Down, up, 10, and go. Alright, so again, you've just got to really make sure your fingers know that pattern, okay, so that you can just blow that fast air and let them move, okay? So check that out. You might just have to break it down, slow it down if you need to make it really, really precise for me, okay? Alright, but now, let's put measure 9 with it. So here we go, measures 9 and 10. And down, up, ready, and... Let's try it again. Ready, and... Alright, so work out that technique, guys. Again, it's actually kind of fun once you get it. See ya.